Okay, I hope everybody made your predictions and predicted what you thought, which was the pair of lucky socks. The pair that she was wearing or the pair in the bag. You could also, predict what you thought was going to happen in the rest of the story. So let's finish this story and see what happened. So now we're in scene 2. So scene 1 was when Hugo and his sister Diana were in her bedroom and they were talking about soccer and the lucky socks. Scene 2. Here we go. Narrator. Later that day, the family... Oh, y'all got to hold on just a minute. Sorry. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Whew. Okay. Let's continue. Scene 2. Narrator. Later that day, the family sat at the dinner table, talking about the soccer games. Hugo had scored the winning goal for his team. Diana had missed a goal and her team lost. Ooh, so the narrator is telling us the day's already gone now. They're at the table eating dinner. Hugo and Diana have already played their soccer games. Hugo made the winning goal and won his soccer game. Diana missed the goal and her team lost. So, who do you think was wearing the lucky socks? Hugo or Diana? That's a great question. Let's keep reading. Mom, you played a great game, Hugo. Dad, I'm proud of you. Mom, it's too bad that your team lost, Diana. Diana, you can't win them all, but I'm glad that I missed that last goal. Oh, I'm mad. Sorry. I was like, why was she glad she missed the last goal? I read that wrong. I'm mad that I missed that last goal. So Diana's very disappointed that she missed the last goal. Look, she's right here thinking about it. We can look at these pictures. Remember getting text evidence? She didn't say that, she was super disappointed, but we can tell by looking. She said she was mad that I missed the goal, and we can look right here at this picture. She looks really disappointed. She's thinking about it. Oh, I'm so upset I missed that last goal. Mom, why are you so quiet, Hugo? You made the winning goal for your team. Why do y'all think Hugo is so quiet? Do you think maybe we can make an inference right here that he's feeling a little bit guilty? I think maybe. Mom is saying, you made the winning goal. You should be excited. Hugo, I didn't do it by myself. Diana, your lucky socks really won the game. I took them from your bed and I'm sorry. You missed the last goal because I had taken your lucky socks. So Hugo thinks that he had the lucky socks on, and that's why he won the game and his sister's team lost. Narrator. Diana began to laugh because she had been wearing her lucky socks all day, but her team still hadn't won. Dad, don't laugh, Diana. Hugo should never take your things without asking. So, Hugo's feeling so guilty because he took her socks, and Diana's laughing because she knows he didn't take the lucky socks. She had them on her feet. So, was your prediction correct? Did you predict that she had the lucky socks on her feet, or that Hugo had them in his bag? Let's see what Diana has to say. Diana, Hugo, you didn't have my lucky socks because I had them. Hugo took out a plain pair of socks, and he must have made them lucky. What do you mean? Hugo said that. What do you mean? Diana, you played well with a pair of plain socks, and now they're your lucky socks. Hugo, you mean I've made my own lucky socks, and I can make more lucky socks every time I play well? So look at that. Hugo thought he was taking Diana's lucky socks, which was not a good thing to do. That was not being a good citizen. But he really didn't take them. He was just taking a plain old pair of socks. And now, bam, he's got lucky socks. Diana, that sounds like a plan to me. Hugo, oh, big sister, you can borrow my lucky socks anytime you want, because I can always get more. So this was a great drama to read about a brother and a sister who, brothers and sisters sometimes kind of argue, and she's telling him about her lucky socks, and he thinks, I'm going to take her lucky socks and use them for my own. And he thought he did. And then he was feeling so guilty. Oh, I should not have done that. I took her socks and now she lost the game. But come to find out, those weren't even the lucky socks. And he now has his own pair of lucky socks. So, let's think about what we heard in this story that gave us evidence of how the characters are feeling. Remember, we talk about text evidence? We're going to go back and look and see how the characters are feeling at different times in the story. We know that Hugo right here. Let's look at this picture. Hugo, he is looking like, I've done something bad. And they don't tell us in the story, but we can look at the text evidence when Mom is saying, Hugo, why are you so quiet? Your team made the winning goal. That gives us a clue. Why is Hugo so quiet? Because he's feeling sad that he took his sister's lucky socks. So we're getting some evidence from the text that Hugo is sad and upset because he is missing his he took the lucky socks and he feels bad because his sister lost the game. And we can look at his face right here. He's like, oh no, what have I done? And right here, when Diana begins to laugh. Why would she be laughing? If Hugo had really taken her lucky socks, I think she'd be really mad. She'd be like, you took my lucky socks. That's why we missed the game. But she's laughing. So we can get evidence from the text that tells us those must not have been her lucky socks, or she wouldn't be laughing. She would be so angry. So we can gather a lot of evidence from the text and make inferences on how the people are feeling and how the people are dealing with what they've done. And even Dad was confused. He said, don't laugh, Diana. Hugo should have never taken your things without asking. So the dad's kind of getting on to Hugo, saying, that is not right to take your sister's things without asking. And he's telling her, don't be laughing about that. He shouldn't have taken your things without asking. So we can understand from the text evidence and looking at the dad right here, we know that the dad is a little disappointed in Hugo. He's like, you should never take your sister's things without asking. This is all things we can gather from the text. And what a great story that those weren't even the lucky socks. And now Hugo has his own pair of lucky socks. I hope y'all enjoyed this play or drama. And there's going to be an activity on the next slide for you to do. So click to the next slide and let's get started. Good luck.